Hello. This is Sally from WhereismyGC. Today, I would like to provide you with our take on the June 2022 Visa Bulletin from employment categories perspective and why we think downgraders to EB3 India might want to reconsider interfiling. To summarize, this month saw most categories stay as they are across filing as well as final action dates. EB2 India has gotten the lucky break, but the EB2 India movement doesn't look sustainable. And EB3 India downgraders might be better off interfiling back to EB2. Let's see what, how, and why of all of this. As you can see, the final action dates have a large one-year forward movement for EB2 India. While EB3 other workers, which are mostly unskilled but required workers, are seeing retrogression. During COVID, we have seen a surge of such demand for unskilled but required workers. So that's why those numbers are being used to the max levels. As per the filing dates, there is virtually no movement except a minor forward movement in a subsection of EB5. In general, the whole EB5 has become very complicated because of the new quotas and subquotas. But that's not important. Lack of movement in filing dates signifies that USCIS thinks it has sufficient demand at least for fiscal 20 to 22. That's something to take note of. If it stays like that in July, then we think the likelihood of final action dates also not moving forward becomes high. Now let's talk about why EB2 India movement to September 2014 is difficult to sustain. There are at approximately 66k EB2 India I-140 approved during 2011 to 2013 period. That's approximately translates to at least 132k of EB2 India I-485 applications. We expect EB2 India to receive around 65k visas. On the downside, it could be 48k, and upside, it could be 82k. Thus, you can see that there is no way we expect EB2 India to clear all demand between 2011 to 2013. It is a mystery why USCIS may move dates, specifically final action dates, to September 2014. The only possible explanation is that they want to utilize all 2022 numbers and make sure that there is enough I-485 processed applications in EB2 India that they can assign a visa to. They might keep moving dates to a level they meet their internal objectives, whatever they may be. So yes, it is possible that they can move dates. But unfortunately, we do not believe all people in EB2 India may be assigned a visa. That brings us to the topic of interfiling. Interfiling is making a request to USCIS to use another I-140, or I-130 for that matter, in order to adjudicate your I-485. This is generally straightforward and is only meant to accelerate your processing. USCIS has advised qualified EB3 applicants before 2014 to interfile to EB2 because EB2 has better visa availability. Here is why. Just look at the heat map. Red means the country category uses more than its own numbers, whereas green means a country category does not use its numbers fully. This heat map can vary one year to next, but generally this is how categories and countries behave. You can see how EB2 India can potentially get extra visas from EB5, EB4, EB1 as well as EB2 rest of the world. However, EB3 India virtually has not much hope of any extra visas. Thus, although EB3 India demand is barely 1/4 of EB2 India, interfiling back to EB2 India might be a good idea. That's all for this month. To summarize, USCIS seems to be full speed on in terms of utilizing all visas. The EB2 India movement is welcome but doesn't guarantee a visa for all even if you are current. Interfiling might be a good idea for downgraders. If you want to see all these numbers in action, then visit our website WhereismyGC.com for more details. All the very best for your immigration journey and Godspeed to your freedom. We look forward to speaking with you again next month.